Hey, everybody. This week we're talking about the three most common injuries we see with collision accidents. I'm Dr. Jacob Hertz with the St. Charles Pain and Wellness Center. Whether you're just driving to work or taking a big family vacation, an unexpected car accident can cause painful injuries that impact you for months and maybe even years to come. The weight of your vehicle, combined with the speed, can create a tremendous amount of force. In an auto accident, that force gets transferred directly to your body. Even low speed collisions can generate enough force to cause serious injuries. Seatbelts save millions of lives each year and should be used every time you enter a vehicle, but they can also contribute to a few of the most common spinal injuries. A sudden stop or change in direction during an accident can place a tremendous amount of force onto your chest. With your arms and legs unsecured, they can strike the interior of your car, causing injuries. So, here are a few of the most common injuries that we see after a car accident. Number one is head injuries. Striking your head against the steering wheel, dashboard, or window can result in severe head injuries, such as a concussion, which is also considered a mild traumatic brain injury. Number two is spinal injuries. Forces that occur during the car accident can cause spinal injuries like instability, whiplash, or even herniate the discs. Finally, arm and leg injuries. Injuries to your shoulders if you're holding the wheel, or your knees if they hit the door or dashboard, are very common after a car accident. If you're in an accident, no matter if it's major or minor, it's important to have an evaluation in our practice. A complete evaluation can determine the extent of your injuries and begin your journey towards recovery. Our practice's evaluation process and assessment tools can help us fully document your injuries. Then, with a combination of treatment approaches, we can help you find relief as quickly and safely as possible. We can be reached in our St. Charles or Bartlett locations at 630 513 7770, and we would love to help you.